Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. We're going to get started in a Shavasana position, lying down on our backs, straightening the legs, and let's open the legs a little bit wider than our yoga mat. Place your hands on your low belly, and I just want you to relax your muscles. And let's take a big belly breath in through the nose and sigh it out through the mouth. Again, let's take a big inhale, breathing in through the nose. Fill your belly up and sigh it out through the mouth. We take a big breath in, breathing in through the nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Slowly begin to bend your knees as you plant your feet on your yoga mat. Keeping the legs open wide, let's drop the legs over to the left side of the room. Passing through center, let's drop the legs over to the right side of the room. So just slowly windshield wiping our legs here from side to side. Let's do that one more time, just dropping the legs over. And we come back to center, closing the legs. Hugging the knees into the chest here. Letting your legs kind of press in on your belly. Rocking from side to side. And I want you to relax your head, your neck, and your shoulders here. Make sure you're taking those deep breaths as your thighs are just pressing onto your belly. Now I want you to grab underneath the legs. So I'm going to grab onto my hamstrings, or really the backs of my knees. So my legs kind of straighten a little bit, but they're not completely straight. They're still bent. My feet are facing up towards the ceiling. And my legs are open a little bit, and I just rock from side to side. Let's drop both legs over to the left side, opening the arms wide. That right leg is stacked on top of that left leg. So we're coming into our stacked supine twist. Again, taking those deep breaths in and out through the nose. Walk your feet back to center, taking your time, and we just plant the feet down. Let's massage our belly slowly, so just going in a circle, starting at the low belly and then coming all the way up and then all the way down to the left. And I'm just massaging with the tips of my fingers, not too hard, but just creating some circulation in the belly. Let's grab onto the backs of those legs again. Remember, opening the legs a little bit. I like to grab onto my wrist here just because it's a little bit easier for me to keep my legs in this position. Feet are facing up. It's kind of like a happy baby a little bit. And now let's drop our legs over to the right side. You may need to shift your hips over a little bit to the left. Let's come back to center. Keeping your legs close together this time. You're going to keep your legs bent, but still pull them close to you. So just like when you hug your knees in towards your chest, you're in that position, but you kind of want to extend the legs. Not too much to where they're straight. You still want those thighs pressing on the belly. And now we open up for our happy baby posture. Bending the knees, opening the legs wide, reaching for our feet or our legs here. Still relaxing the upper body and still taking those deep breaths. Let's close the legs together. And we make our way into a seated position with the legs straight in front of us. We're going to open our legs just a little bit, not too wide, but not too close, and slowly come into a forward fold, reaching for the feet. Really relaxing here. We rise back up. Let's twist to the left, placing both hands on our left side and really just twisting to the left and down a little bit, kind of like compressing that stomach. And we go to the other side. Let's swing our legs around, making our way into a child's pose. But in this child's pose, let's really focus on the belly. So close the legs together so that your belly can rest on your legs. So still pressing on that belly with the legs. Relax your arms down to your sides. And let's take a big breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you're feeling good after this class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.